Welcome to the Deep Focus Update. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates and thrilling short scenes. The FIFA World Cup, the planet's biggest sporting event, is returning to the United States, but this time, it's a shared stage, a collaborative effort that spans across borders. Instead of being the sole host as in 1994, the US will split the honor, the games, and the spotlight with Canada and Mexico. This marks a significant shift in how the tournament is organized and experienced. For many American fans, this was a surprise, a twist in the tale they didn't see coming. The expectation was another all-American soccer festival, not a continental collaboration. The idea of sharing the limelight was initially met with mixed feelings. The big headline, a projected $40 billion economic windfall, now to be divided three ways. This economic boon, while still substantial, will be shared among the three nations. Cities, hoping for a solo jackpot, had to adjust to a new reality. The dream of hosting all the matches and reaping all the benefits had to be reimagined. Hosting a World Cup is about national pride and global attention. It's a chance to showcase a country's culture, infrastructure, and passion for the sport. In 1994, the US had both. The event was a monumental success, leaving a lasting legacy on American soccer. Now the event will stretch across North America, with fans traveling farther and the focus divided. This means more logistical challenges, but also a broader reach. For some, sharing the World Cup feels like a loss of the American experience. The singular national pride is now a shared sentiment. Instead of a month-long festival centered in the US, the event will be a sprawling, cross-border celebration. This new format aims to unite fans across three nations. The dream of an All-American World Cup has evolved into a more complex, continent-wide reality. This evolution brings both challenges and opportunities. But with that complexity comes new opportunities and new questions. How will the logistics be managed? How will the fans adapt? Will sharing the stage dilute the magic, or create something even bigger? The potential for a unique, unprecedented experience is immense. The answer will unfold as the world's eyes turn to North America in 2026. The anticipation is building, and the world is watching. For now, the US must embrace its role as a co-star, not the sole headliner. This new role requires a shift in perspective and a spirit of collaboration. The spotlight is wider, the stakes are higher, and the story is just beginning. The journey to 2026 promises to be an exciting one. The World Cup is no longer just America's party, it's a North American celebration, a festival of soccer that transcends borders. The question is, can three nations create a World Cup greater than the sum of its parts? Only time will tell. The world waits with bated breath. The shared World Cup wasn't FIFA's idea. It was a strategic move by the US, Canada, and Mexico. They joined forces, knowing a united bid would outshine any solo effort. Their pitch world-class stadiums, existing infrastructure, and a low-risk, high-reward tournament. FIFA wanted a safe, profitable World Cup. The united bid delivered. The message was clear: unity, collaboration, and a borderless celebration of football. In 2018, FIFA's members overwhelmingly chose North America over Morocco. This wasn't a slight against the US, it was a bold endorsement of teamwork. The united bid promised the most lucrative, seamless World Cup ever, and so the dream of a North American World Cup was born. The 2026 Dagen uitzonderlijk World Cup marks a bold departure from the past, shattering expectations and rewriting the playbook for the world's biggest sporting event. For nearly a century, the tournament followed a familiar rhythm, steeped in tradition and history. One nation would host, transforming its cities into a global stage and creating a singular, electric atmosphere that united fans from every corner of the planet. The only exception came in 2002, when Japan and South Korea co-hosted, offering a glimpse of both the promise and the logistical challenges of sharing such a massive event. Now, for the first time ever, three nations, United States, Canada, and Mexico, will join forces, turning the World Cup into a true continental festival that spans thousands of miles. The driving force behind this change: expansion, 48 teams, 104 matches, and more opportunities for nations to compete on the world stage. No single country could handle the sheer scale and complexity of this expanded tournament alone. The united bid made this ambitious vision possible, allowing the three countries to share costs, resources, and the immense logistical demands. The United States will host the majority of games, welcoming fans to some of the world's largest and most iconic stadiums. But Canada and Mexico will bring their own unique passion, culture, and world-class venues to the tournament, ensuring a truly North American celebration. This is a new era for the World Cup, one defined by collaboration, shared dreams, and a tournament bigger, more inclusive, and more ambitious than ever before. The 2026 World Cup will be the largest ever. 48 teams, 6 weeks, and 104 matches. The final. MetLife Stadium, just outside New York City. The opening match? Mexico City's legendary Estadio Azteca. 16 host cities across 3 countries will stage the action. The US gets 78 games in 11 cities. Mexico and Canada each host 13. Fans can expect a whirlwind of football, culture, and travel. Vancouver to Guadalajara, Miami to Toronto. The logistics will be complex, but the adventure will be unforgettable. 3 nations, 3 cultures, 1 epic tournament. The world is coming to North America, and it's going to be huge. The guest list is nearly set. 48 teams, including hosts US, Canada, and Mexico. Powerhouses like Argentina, Brazil, and England are in, alongside debutantes like Uzbekistan, Cape Verde, and Jordan. Africa's 9 teams include Morocco, aiming to build on their 2020 Saprsanin. Asia sends 8, with new faces and old favorites. The expanded format means more nations, more stories, and more dreams. The stage is set for a truly global celebration. That $40 billion figure, it's not just a number, it's a testament to the massive economic impact. It's the total impact across all 3 hosts, encompassing a wide range of economic activities. The US will see the biggest share, 78 games, most of the knockout rounds, and the final. This means more tourists, more spending, and more excitement. Cities like Dallas, LA, and New York, New Jersey will see billions in economic activity, transforming local economies. Canada and Mexico, with 13 games each, will see concentrated booms in cities like Toronto, Vancouver, Guadalajara, and Monterrey. These cities will become hubs of international attention. Sharing the World Cup means sharing the opportunity, not just the money. It's about creating a sense of unity and collaboration. It spreads the benefits, builds new partnerships, and strengthens ties across borders. The infrastructure investments alone will have lasting impacts. The US may not keep the whole pie, but it still gets a historic windfall, boosting its economy significantly. For Canada and Mexico, it's a chance to shine on the world stage, showcasing their culture and hospitality. The real value: a stronger, more connected continent. The bonds formed will outlast the tournament. The World Cup's legacy will be measured in more than just dollars. It will be seen in the lasting connections and the shared memories created. The shared World Cup is a catalyst for soccer's growth across North America. In the US, it cements soccer's place in the mainstream. In Canada, it inspires a new generation. In Mexico, it reaffirms football's status as a national passion. Fans will experience a tapestry of cultures, cities, and unforgettable moments. The legacy? Unprecedented cooperation between 3 nations' football federations. This partnership could spark more cross-border competitions and player development. Together, North America can become a soccer powerhouse. The 2026 World Cup is about unity, not just victory. It's a bold new chapter for the beautiful game, one that starts with 3 nations, but belongs to the world.